it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're going to be once doing again and again a fish, and that is due to my wonderful love of fish and my series called Friend Fish. And if you haven't heard about it, well, now you are. We're currently working on a kids TV animation, but we also have comic books and a whole bunch of other assortment stuff out in the market right now. But before I get too much involved in explaining my Friend Fish, let's get back to what we're currently doing on this lesson on teaching you how to draw cartoons. And as always, when I share from the time to time, watch your pencil sketching. When you look at this little fish right now, you can see the long shape that it is in and the elements and the pieces when building it up. So that's the key thing. Look at the pieces and just take it from there. Sketch one thing at a time. And sketch, I mean sketch, not tracing it, but sketch. Anyways, so if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.